Hello, I'm Lieutenant Sean Miguez with the Galveston Police Department, here to remind you that the possession and/or discharge of fireworks in the city of Galveston is illegal.
Every year we respond to injuries such as burns and eye injuries, not only to adults but to young children as well.
Merely possessing fireworks is a $250 fine. Discharging fireworks is a fine of up to $1,000. It's just not worth it.
The best way to enjoy the fireworks this 4th of July is to go to a local show run by professionals, so there's absolutely zero chance of any safety, and that will keep not only you safe but also everybody around you safe. So please, we strongly encourage you to leave the fireworks to the professionals and just visit a local show and support our local community.